The product engineers are making the improvements on the back end so that we can decrease the downtime that the customer faces in these applications, and then the application engineers are actually designing these cable assemblies that are going out in the field. I think the most interesting challenge that my team faces is the differing applications that we're working with on a day-to-day basis.
Nothing is the same. We are very application specific, and a lot of our product on the engineering team is focused on specific customer applications. So every customer is different, every application is different. Our design process is really customer centric. So how we design product really depends on the application. It really depends on what the customer is concerned about, and using prior failure information for other manufacturing solutions in this application. So we recently just onboarded an SLA printer. So stereolithography is a process where you actually have a projector sitting underneath a pool of liquid resin, and as you draw the bed out from this liquid pool, layer by layer is basically photocopied, and you grow this part out of this liquid pool, which is really nice. This will allow us to do some rapid prototyping as well as some low volume tooling. So I definitely think that's going to be transformative to the way that we design our products and offer product designs to our customers.
I will have to really give our build shop props, because they put a lot of work into ensuring that before anything leaves this building, it is the best quality we can provide.
We'll check continuity, potentially high pot if applicable, as well as the aesthetics, form, fit, and function of our product. The continuity, terminations, and cross-wiring checks, we use a Cirrus tester, which is a point-to-point continuity test.
I'd mainly describe it as collaborative. Everyone's here to help each other. If you have a problem, there's usually always someone out there that either has a solution or can help you find a solution.
It's pretty cool that everything that we do is designed to add value in some way. It could be quite rewarding if you get to talk to a customer that does see the benefits of a TPC product, and hearing those firsthand stories is pretty cool.
Working with the utilities on mobile StatComs. We're working with these companies to supply an easy way of deploying their cables in these systems. These systems will help prevent employee injury, make it a lot easier for them to move the cables around.
My vision for the future of TPC is to be the market leader in custom cable assemblies and solutions.
I really expect us to be trailblazers in general manufacturing and the product offerings that we can provide to our customers.
What we're going to do is we're going to find that next big thing and be a part of it. We're going to grow the organization as a whole so that we're going to be a big player in the wire and cable industry for years to come.